I can't wait for you to call me. I got too much on my mind. No, I can't wait for you to love me, 'cause I got too much on the line. And truth is that love hurts. Who's gonna budge first? She from the suburbs and I'm from the gutter. It's hard when you love her but don't want to suffer. I make mistakes, she don't think I'll recover. Baby, let me break it down, see where you be coming from. I think that she running around, trying to find another one, but there ain't no other girl, nothing like the one I love. Baby, you got all of me, I guess that just ain't enough. But, darling, is you down for the weekend? Surely we together for a reason. We could just sit back and drown in these drinks. Like fuck the ops, we throw Molotovs at the precinct and burn it down. What's on your mind, we can work it out. But what you heard, that's just word of mouth. Curve me first, then you curve yourself. That's what it is, you know what you bout. I cannot wait by the phone.